Let's solve this together. It says 10 raised power x plus 100 raised power x equals to 1000 raised power x. How do we solve this? First things, let's divide each term by 1000 raised power x. So we have 10 to the power of x divided by 1000 to the power of x plus 100 to the power of x divided by 1000 to the power of x is equal to 1000 to the power of x divided by 1000 to the power of x. Okay? Now, using the law of indices, we're going to have 10 over 1000, we factor out the power all raised power x plus 100 over 1000 all raised to the power of x to be equal to 1000 raised power x over 1000 raised power x. This strikes this, we have 1. Alright? Now, 10 over 1000 is as 1 over 100 all raised to the power of x plus this over this is the same as 1 over 10 all raised to the power of x to be equal to 1. Alright? Now, 1 over 100 raised power x can be written to be equal to 1 over 10 raised power 2 all raised to the power of x plus 1 over 10 raised to the power of x to be equal to 1. Alright? Moving on, we're going to have, using the law of indices that says that a raised power m all raised power n is equal to a raised power n all raised power m, we're going to have here 1 over 10 raised to the power x all raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 10 raised to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, let 1 over 10 raised to the power of x be equal to y. So we're going to have y squared plus y is equal to 1, implying that y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Moving on, we can now solve this using the quadratic formula that states that y will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We say let a be equal to 1, b be equal to 1, c be equal to negative 1. Okay, so this is a, b, c here. Right? Now we have y to be equal to minus b is 1, minus b is 1, so we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of b squared is 1 squared, which is 1, minus 4 times a times c is same as minus times 1 is minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4 all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. Alright? We have that y will now be equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. Recall that we said that 1 over 10 all raised to the power of x is equal to y. Right? Hence, you can now say 10 raised power negative x is equal to y. Right? For the first answer for x, which is minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, we now have 10 raised power negative x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Okay. From here, you now have taking the logarithm of 10 to the power negative x to be equal to logarithm of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. We're going to have this will now multiply this log, so we have minus x times log 10 to be equal to log of minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. From here, we now have that minus x will be equal to, because log of 10 in base 10 is 1, we now have log of minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2, okay? And then x will now be equal to log of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 times minus 1. So this is minus log of 1 plus root 5 over 2 is what x is. Now the second answer for x will now be minus log, okay, minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. Okay, so this becomes the answer to this question. Thanks for watching.